Ricardo. We're going to make a nice, lovely watermelon smoothie. Very easy one. Alright, so cut the watermelon in half. Just gonna get off the dry bits now and the seed skin. Nice one. So once you cut up your watermelon, straight inside of your smoothie blender like this. And I'm using a piece of a fresh basil and half of a lime juice or a lemon, whatever you have to use, you can use. Nice one. You can also I don't have any fresh ginger, so I'm just gonna pop a little bit of ginger powder in it. But if you have fresh ginger, better for using. I'm just gonna pour a little bit of water in it, not too much. Amazing watermelon smoothie. And the beauty is, it does not take long to blend. Alright? That's the only thing I like about the recipe. It's just a very quick and simple smoothie recipe. That's it, guys. Definitely can make this at home. Simple one. Fresh basil and watermelon smoothie drink. Look at that. You can smell that nice, lovely basil scent in the watermelon. Beautiful and nice. That's it. I want to take the time out to say thank you guys for watching Chef Ricardo show. Got a lot more recipe, a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo team. Please stay tuned. And it's just a simple little recipe, watermelon with fresh basil smooth drink. Enjoy the recipe and I will see you next time. Bye bye.